Good morning, dear judges, parents, teachers, and students. My name is Methodi Devna Sumanaveera. My school is Sirma Bandaranaike Vidyalaya. Site's name is Endemic Birds in Sri Lanka. It is a lesson of environmental studies in grade 4 and 5. It is for the children and teachers. There are no textbooks to the subject environmental studies in grade 4 and 5. Teachers and students must make their own notes. This will help them. Some children spend their time with videos and games. They don't care about their schoolwork. This will get their attention to the schoolwork. Students like to learn with the technology. Activities, quizzes, games, and crossword puzzles will help them to learn in a joyful way. There are special features in my website. Sinhala and English languages, informations of birds, photographs of birds, and games, quizzes, puzzles, matching pass exercises, and crossword puzzles are in there. I'm going to add more birds and sounds of the birds to this website. And I'm going to combine the site with endemic birds and endemic fish. I'm going to add more activities and games and quizzes to my new website. And I'm going to add Tamil languages too. So let's go to my website. This is my website, Endemic Birds in Sri Lanka. There are 2 languages. You can choose one and click the button. I'm choosing English right now. This is my first page. This is the top navigation bar. These are the birds that I choose. This is the first bird of my website, Spurfowl. These are 2 images. When you go here, it shows you the real photographer. This is a little description about the bird. In the other pages of the birds are the same. This is my games page. This is my puzzle. You have to drag and drop and put in the right way. If you put in the right way, it will say good and give you a mark. And if you put every picture in the right place, it will take you to the next level. And if you got 12 marks, it will say you won. Is my other game. It is the same. This is my quizzes game. You have to click the right button with the right name. Lace parakeet. And next one is green pigeon. And the other one hanging parrot. And if you got 3 marks, it will say congratulations. This is my notes page. You can download it and print it. This is my activities page. In this page game, you have to put it in the right box. If it is right, it will give you 5 marks and disappear. If you got 12 marks, 15 marks, it will say good. This is my word puzzle. You have to write the name, wings. So let's go to the codes. So let's go to the codings. This is the codings of my home page. These are the CSS codes. This is the top navigation bar class. This is the top navigation bar class. This is my topic. I put center text in there. And these are the buttons that I go to home page, games page, quizzes page, notes page, and activities page. And these are the first 3 birds images. I put IMG SRC codes in there, text in there. And these are the links for there. I put center text and anchor text in those codes. This is the this is the games page codings. This is the link that I put my first game, and this is the other one, the game's link. In the quizzes page and the activities page are the same. This is my puzzle codings. When backdrop switch to GA, if the backdrop GA comes, it must show and go to this place. And if you want to put something if you want something to be again and again, you have to put forever code and set draggable mode. You have drag, and if you want to drag, you must put this code. This is a if code. With starting button 1, change marks by 1 and say good, stop this spiral. In the other pictures, the codings are same. In the other puzzles, codings are the same. This is my This is the coding. These codings are from my Whistles game. When backdrop switch to blue, sky 5 hide. When this pirate click, if backdrop name blue sky, change my marks by 1. Else, change my marks by -1. And go to the next backdrop. When backdrop switch to raise height. When this backdrop come, it must hide. And when flag click, show. This is my matching exercise codes. When flag click, show. Set draggable mode and go to this place and set my variable to 0. And this is a forever code. Inside it, there is a if touching button 3 change my variable by 5 hide broadcast message 1 stop this pirate. In the other birds images are the same. In the button there is when I reserve message 1 for the height and click this, when click flag, it must show and go to this place. So this is my website. Thank you for watching.